you ever get inky fingers when you're stamping? If so, you do not want to miss today's tip video because I'm going to share with you how to get that ink off quickly and easily. All true stampers have battle wounds by the end of a stamping session. Our battle wounds? Inky fingers. Now, if you can make it through a stamping session without inky fingers, we will still count you as a true crafter, and I give you a lot of credit. I feel like I've tried everything to get the ink off of my fingers. Soap, and more soap, Dawn dishwashing soap, rubbing alcohol, washing my hands until my face turns blue. Now, as soon as I take a shower, my hands are clean as can be, but until I take a shower, some of those colors of ink just won't come off. Not too long ago, I have a stamping friend and one of my team members, Sandy, who said that she had finally found this product that was made to clean the ink off of crafters' hands. She brought it to one of my stamping events and showed me, and I looked at it and I thought, well, that looks like something, I have to have something in my house that would do the same job. Now you can order these from craft stores. I can find out the name of it if you're interested in, but what I'm sharing with you today is going to be a lot easier to find and save you money. So I kept thinking about what this product was that she had and what it looked like. It looked like kind of a rough sponge, and then it hit me. It looks like a pumice stone. I thought, I think I have one of those in my bathroom. I went and I looked, and I did in fact have one. It was still in the package, which explains why my hands and feet look the way they do. But I decided to get it out and try it with my inky fingers, and it did the trick. All you need to do is run some water from your sink, get your hands wet. She had recommended you can use some soap if you want to use a little bit of soap. I have just been using water and the pumice stone, and it takes the ink off perfectly. Here you saw me washing my hands. I used one of my most stubborn ink colors to show you that even with that deep reddish purple color, it still came off of my hands. And you'll see little hands washing as well, and it does the trick perfectly. Pick up a pumice stone at your dollar store. It will be cheap, it'll be easy to find, and you will have clean hands as quick as can be. Thanks so much for watching along. If you like this tip, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new here. If you want to hear more of my tip videos, they're some of my most watched videos. Click on Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff below. You'll go to my channel, and near the top, you will find my card making tips and tricks playlist. You can scroll through and find tons and tons of tips that may help you in your craft room. Thanks so much for being here. I hope you have a blessed day. I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.